Hello, class. In this video, I wanted to go over creating the bar graph that we did in class, and that used this days week data set that I have on here, which displays the favorite night for takeout dinner. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of observations here on the left. But for this, I'm going to first select all of this data, and I'm going to go to Insert. And for this, I'm going to go all the way over here to the right till we get to this pivot chart option. I'm going to click on that. This screen pops up about where to create it. I'm just going to hit OK, since you shouldn't need to change that. And as we build this, it's going to populate here on the left. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see what's actually going on correctly. There we go. So I'm going to put this favorite night for takeout dinner where it says axes or categories, and that should automatically populate in our table, as you can see. And then I'm going to take that favorite night for takeout dinner and plop that where it says values. And as you can see, it created a frequency table, which I didn't ask for, but it's nice that it's there. The main part that we wanted was the actual bar graph, which is indeed what displays on here. And then you could change axis titles and whatnot if you wanted to, but it's physically here though, built out of that pivot chart. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.